Uholsko-Shyrokoluzhanskyi massif is located on the southern slopes of the Polonyna Krasna and its powerful spur of the Menchil mountain pasture at an altitude of 400 to 1280 meters above sea level. The total area of the protected territory is 15,500 hectares. The geological basis of the massif is formed by the adjournments of limestone and powerful layers of flysch. The southern part of Uholske forestry is located on the northern zone of rocks. A typical feature of this area is the availability of large limestone blocks with the well-advanced karst. A lot of various karst forms, in particular more than 30 caves, are represented here. The largest cave of the Ukrainian Carpathians, Druzhba, literally friendship, with the total passages length of more than 1 kilometre, and also the unique natural bridge known under the name of Kamyaniy or Karst, literally stone, are located in the massif's territory. The late-palaeolithic site of the primitive man was found in the cave Molochniy kamin, Milky Stone. The limestone rock called Velika Kopytsia, Big Haystack, with a height of 70 meters, is very original geomorphological formation. The high summits of the protected massif are Uholska Plesha, Pohanská kyčera, Vidnožanská kyčera, and Veža. The powerful ridge protects the massif from northern winds. The prevailing winds are of the western compass points. The climate of the region is warm, moderate, and damp in the foothills, cool and very damp in the upland area. According to the data of Uholka Meteo Station, the monthly average temperature of January is 4.5 degrees Celsius below zero, in July plus 17 degrees Celsius, and the average annual temperature is plus 7 degrees Celsius. The average annual amount of precipitation is 1,390 millimeters. Relict phytocoenosis of beech forests with participation of European yew and large-leaved lime are distributed in Uholka-Shyrokyi Luh virgin forest. More than 550 plant species constitute the massif's flora. Its main nucleus is formed by the mountain species. The limestone ridge is characterized by the largest floristic richness with more than 200 species. Such alpine species as Carpathian harebell, Martagon lily, or mountain saxifrage are present in the virgin beech forest. There is a great diversity of ferns here, among which dominate aurochs stonk, lady fern, male fern, long beech fern, common polypody, and others. Ephemeroids such as spring snowflake, snowdrops, two-leaf squill, or spring crocus are well distributed. Also, we can find here such red-listed species as perennial honesty or Russian belladonna. fauna of beech virgin forest is very peculiar. The following taiga species as lynx or Ural owl, and also species which are typical for the broad-leaved forests, are found here. They are represented by white-beaked woodpecker and grey-headed woodpecker. The species of black stork, buzzard, spotty salamander, common red-backed vole, deer, and fox, which are widely spread in the whole forest zone of the Carpathians, are typical for the massif's territory. Vertebrates troglobians and Chiroptera as well is very diverse, mainly connected with the Uholka-Karst caves. The Uholsko-Shyrokoluzhanskyi massif forms phytocoenotic core of the Carpathian Biosphere Reserve. The massif is located in the beech forest zone, with the prevailing zonal beech forests forming the upper forest line at an altitude of 1,200 meters above sea level. In the optimum ecological conditions, the species of beech is marked by the high vitality and form highly productive plantations with a stock of timber that is more than 600 cubic meters per hectare. No wonder we can find here giant beech specimens reaching 55 meters in height and 130 centimeters in diameter, which can be considered as the tallest beech trees in the world. The European beech exhibits one of the most peculiar life strategies of all tree species in the world. It is adaptable to very different environmental conditions, but where ecological conditions are suitable, beech trees tends to absolute dominance. This is the main reason why nowadays we can proudly consider the Uholka-Shyrokyi Luh massif to be the largest virgin beech forest in Europe. Without a shade of doubt, it is the most valuable treasure of UNESCO's World Natural Heritage called Primeval Beech Forests of the Carpathians.